Hey friends, let's learn how to play To Be With You on guitar by Mr. Big. Let's jump straight in. So for our verse, we start on this C sharp minor, and the pattern we're going to do is down, 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 up. So just a half bar. So C sharp minor for half a bar. Go to E, and we do exactly the same thing. Down, 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 up, half a bar. A sus2 for half a bar, which is exactly the same as A. Just take your little finger off, so we're playing the open B string. Same again, half a bar, down, 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 and back to E, down, down, down. And that's our verse that does that through 2 times. Let's play that up to speed. And then from there we're going into the pre-chorus. Just goes back to the A sus2, another half a bars, down, 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 to E, half a bar, back to A sus2 again, back to E again. Then we're going to go to a D, and we're going to do this for a full bar. We're going to go down, 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 up, and then to a B bar chord, and we're going to do exactly the same thing for a bar. Down, 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 up. And that's our pre-chorus. So let me play one through the verse, then the pre-chorus for you. Now the pre-chorus. There we go into the chorus. Let's have a look at that. So for our chorus, we're going to do down strums here, down on the E. Then we do an E over F sharp. So you can take your thumb, place it on the 2nd fret on the E string. And then we're going to do E over G sharp. Now this is a big stretch here. We want our little finger up on the 4th fret on the E string again. And then back to E. So they're just all down strums. E, E over F sharp, E over G sharp, and back to E. And then we just go to our A sus2, and same as before, down, 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 back to B, half a bar again, and back to E. And we just do that 4 times for the chorus. So let's try that up to speed. Now if you're struggling to do the E over F sharp and E over G sharp, you can just play E for half a bar and it'll work as well. You can just do it down, 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 up to the A, sus2 to the B, to the E. Can be tricky. Paul Gilbert's got a massive little finger, so it's easy for him to reach up there. Let's give it a go. That's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse. We do that exactly the same. To the pre-chorus, which we do exactly the same. Our A sus2 E, A sus2 E, to our D build up for a bar and our B build up for a bar. Then we go back to the chorus and we do that exactly the same again. After that we have this little bridge here. We're going to play our A sus2. We're just going to play it once and hold, and then strum it again on the 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then come up to the C sharp minor, all down strums, and we're going to do a 8th note playing, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then down up at the end, like we did with our other build up, and then G for 2 bars, again 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So that's pretty easy. Let's do that up to speed. That's our little bridge. From there we go into our solo. We have no rhythm there, and we'll do the solo at the end. And then we have this next little part, so let's do that. So the next part's our pre-chorus again. A sus2, half a bar, E half a bar, A sus2 half a bar, E half a bar, build up on the D, 2 and 3 and 4 and then when we go to the B we're just going to do 1 and 2 and 3. and stop it there. So it's pretty easy to do that up to speed. Then from there we have our next chorus. Now the strumming pattern is going to stay the same. We've just modulated, so we're moving up. We're going to start on the G, play that once. And then we're going to do G over A. So it's exactly the same as G, just take your first finger off. We're playing the open A string, open D, G, 3rd fret on the B and the E. Do that once. Then go back to the G chord. We're doing a G over B, but just play from the A string down and back to G. So we have C add 9, down, 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 up D, and back to G. Do that 2 times, then the 3rd time it changes, but the start's going to stay the same. C add 9, D, then go to E minor for half a bar, and then just go back to the first line again. So let's try that up to speed. From there we're going back to our E again, but we're going to have one change. We're going to play the chorus through twice, then the 3rd time, instead of playing the last E, we're going to come up to C sharp minor. So we have E, E over F sharp, E over G sharp, E, A sus2, B, and up to C sharp minor. And then just go back to that first line and repeat it 2 times, and the last one just slow down. So let's try that. And there are all the rhythm parts there. Now let's tackle the lead. So we're going to start on 2nd fret on the D string, 1st fret on the G. I'm using the pick for the D string and my 2nd finger there for the G string. Play that once. And then 4 on the D, 2 on the G, and we're going to slide up 2 frets. Then just play the B 5th fret. And then come back D7, G6. And then start on the 7 on the D and 4 on the G. Then we play 4 on the D and the G. Now we're going to do a hammer on to the 6th fret on the D string and play the 4D, 4G at the same time. And do that again. So let me do that first part slowly for you. Then we do that first part again, 2 and 1, 4 and 2 slide up, 5 on the D, 7 and 6. Now we're going to jump to 5 on the D, 4 on the E. E string, we're going to play 2, hammer onto 4, pull off to 2, pull off to the open, play the open B, and then play E and B together, and then just the open E string there. Then we do that start part again, 2 and 1, 2 and 4, slide up, 5 on the B, 7 and 6, 7 and 4. Now it changes. We're going to come up here, play 9 on the D, 8 on the G, 7 on the B, once. Come up again, 11 on the D, 9 on the G and the B 2 times. Then we're going to do this little run. We're going to have 11 on the A, on the D, 9, 11, G, 9, B, 12, back to G, 9, B, 10, and then B, 9, 10, 12, G, 9, D, 11, so slowly. And then to finish it off, we're just playing 5 again on the B, 4 on the E. E string 2, hammer on the 4, pull off the 2, pull off the open. Open E and B, 12th fret harmonics on the E and B. And then just play on the G, 11, slide up to 13. And that's the whole solo there, so let's play that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.